So any of you who know me know I have a long history of putting my foot in my mouth, and today was no exception. I met a young man called Cam, and he's in the Brisbane Lions, who are the world champions of Australian rules football, as the Americans say when they create a sport that only they play. Anything they do is world champions. So I say that the Brisbane Lions are the world champions. Anyway, I said to Cam, and I met him because I was going to my Ray neurosurgeon, and he was going to his physiotherapist, along with a whole lot of other young men from the Brisbane Lions, going to their therapist today. And I said to him, well done on the game, and we got chatting, and I said to him, you in for your all your steroid shots, recovering from the game? And he just looked at me like this. And I went, oh, no, not those type of steroid shots. I mean, the legal ones. I'm so sorry. I went, oh, yeah, it's just recovering.